when it comes to this. And you know, like you said, it's not a best out of 7, but they're kind of, now that they have this extra game, like they're.
Wih, apa tuh, Cok?
Be it the draft, be it the overall control of the game, but I think this is the time that they're able to like, market the game plan. We're the fairness now. There's 2 options here.
Kalian dengar guys? Apa yang aku dengar kalian dengar guys?